So here is the Monday CRM tutorial for beginners. Monday CRM is the CRM feature within the project management platform monday.com, allowing users to organize and manage their sales pipeline, leads, contacts, and deals through a highly customizable interface. So on the monday.com website, let's check out their pricing on the top over here. On this page, you will get to see all the available plans that they offer, starting from free to enterprise. So check out all the features of each of these plans and choose whichever one that you want. Now, let's go back to the home page and click on Products on the top. You will get to see Monday CRM under Products. Click on it. So once you're in this page, go ahead and click on Get Started. After that, you'll be redirected to the login page. On this page, you can continue with Google or put in your email address. I will go with Google. Next, you'll be taken to the Google login page. Here, choose the account that you want to use. After that, click on Continue. And as you can see, we're now in the Monday CRM dashboard. On the left side, you will get to see all of these options, starting with sequences. This is where you can create your first sequence. So just click on New Sequence and put in your name for the new sequence. You can see all of the different sections on the top. Now, let's click on Mass Email Tracking on the top left. This is the page from where you can track your mass emails. All of the information will be shown right here. Now go over to More on the left panel. Here, you have all of these options to choose from. If you select Home, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. You can see your recently visited section, and on the top right, you have your profile status. Then over here, you have your inbox. Now, let's go over to More and select My Work. All of your work will be visible right here on this page, which makes it easier to manage. You also have Calendar over here. On the top right, if you click on Customize, you can customize this page by going through all of these options provided. This way, you can easily filter through your work and make your work management so much easier. Now, let's go ahead and check out Quick Search. This is the feature that you can use to easily search for anything specific that you're looking for. You can type in whatever that you want on the search bar and it will appear here. Next up, we have Template Center. Sometimes it may take a little while to load up, so be patient and wait for it. And as you can see, we're now in the template section. This is where you can find all of the available templates. So going back, if you go over to More, you will get to see Personalized Menu. Here, you can use these options to personalize your menu. You can select which ones you want to be pinned on the left pane, giving you even more flexibility. Once done, click Save Changes. Right below More, you have Favorites. Then we have Workspaces. This is where you can see all of your active workspaces. So let's select this one, and as you can see, it's currently empty. You can see your recent boards, members, and also you have the option to invite members to Monday CRM. Let's click on View Billing Info. So this is the page where you can see your overview. Now, let's go back. If you click on this plus icon, you can add item to workspace. Here, you have all of these options to choose from. From the options, if you go over to apps, you'll be able to see all the apps installed or available. Then you have Import Data. You can import data from a lot of different platforms. Next up, we have Contacts. This is where you will be able to see all of your contacts that are added. You can see the details like their name, email, accounts, deals, and phone. You can make changes to any of these sections according to your preference. You can also change the name if you want, and click on this plus icon to add a new column. So go through these options and choose whichever one that you want to add. And as you can see, we have now added the type. If you want to rename it, just select the name and type in your new name. Then, you can customize each of these sections according to your preference. So go ahead and make your necessary changes. This way, you can easily keep track of your different contacts. And this section is for active contacts. Right below it, you have inactive contacts. This is where you can see all the details of your contacts that are not active. You can also add new details over here. Just put in their contact, email address, and then on the account section, you can choose from these options. And on the deal section, you have all of these options to choose from as well. Then put in their phone number and any other details that are necessary. You can also click on the plus icon and add a new section. For example, priority. This way, you can set priority for different contacts according to your needs. So this way, you can easily keep track of your contacts. Now, let's go over to deals on the left panel. So this is the section where you can see all of the active deals and closed ones. Then we have leads. On this page, you will have all of your leads. You can also add new ones if you want. After that, we have accounts. Here, you have all the companies that you have deals with and their details under each of these sections. After that, let's go over to client projects. This is where you can see all your new projects as well as your completed projects below it. You can easily keep track of all the different projects that you're currently working on. And if you click on plus new group, you can add a new group right here. Now, just type in the name of your new group, such as pending. After that, let's head over to the activities tab. This is where you can keep track of all the account activities and also make any necessary changes and adjustments. You have sections like activity type, status, start time, end time, etc. So keep updating them as you go on with your work. You can also add different sections. For example, I added pending under status. Now, let's go over to Sales Dashboard on the left panel. This is where you can see the overview of your sales and all of the data related to your sales. The data will be displayed in graphs and charts just like this, which will make it easier for you to understand and make informed decisions based on these data. Now, let's head over to the left panel and go under Workspaces. Here, if you go over to CRM, you will get to see the search bar where you can search for your workspaces. You can also add a new workspace or browse through all of your workspaces. So click on New Workspace. On this section, just type in the name for your new workspace. Then set the privacy and select Add Workspace. So once it's done, let's click on Add from Templates. On the Template section on the left panel, select Sales and CRM. You also have all of these options that you can choose from. So on the Sales and CRM section, you will get to see all the available templates that they offer. Select one and then click on Use Template on the top right. Now, just wait for your template to load up. Sometimes it may take a little while, so be patient and wait for it. So as you can see, our new template has been opened and it has been added to our workspace. So you can see all the different sections that were already added in the template. Go ahead and make all the necessary templates in order to fit the template for your work. So that is the Monday CRM tutorial for beginners. You can use all of these features available on Monday CRM and make your workflow and team so much more efficient.